Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of being tied down by a cumbersome vacuum cleaner? Can I introduce you to the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a game changer in the world of central vacuum systems. This powerful and lightweight device has been a hit among many customers who have purchased and reviewed it, praising its ease of use and effectiveness. One of the standout features of the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is its tangle-resistant design, which allows it to pick up more hair and deal with less tangles. Whether it's human hair or pet hair, the result is a silky smooth floor. The versatile cleaning attachments make it easy to clean different types of floors or surfaces, from the soft carpet to the hard wooden floor, with a gentle whooshing sound that's music to your ears. The easy empty dustbin is another bonus. With one click you can empty the dustbin into a trash can, no mess, no fuss, just a satisfying clunk as the dirt and dust disappear. The washable filters are also a great feature, allowing you to get the most out of your filters by washing and reusing them, reducing waste and saving you money. I've used the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner to quickly clean up after my pets, and it's been a lifesaver. The lightweight design makes it easy to whip out for a quick cleaning session, and the powerful suction leaves my floors feeling clean and refreshed. Overall, the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a must-have for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient cleaning solution. So why not give it a try? You won't be disappointed. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.